All right, so I didn't really know what I was gonna do with this board. I was gonna skate it until it broke, but since it's in still pretty decent shape, besides this little chip right here. Sorry, people are doing a roof. I think I'm gonna actually customize this one, and we're gonna do a little pain theme to Naruto. So I'm gonna sand it down and then spray it with like a white base coat, and then we'll give it a go. It's my first painted skateboard, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so I got it pretty sanded. There's still some like dark scratches where I did board slides and stuff, but I think the paint will cover it up and we'll have a nice little clean base to do it with. Boop, boop, boop.
computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
This is the final product after I put a clear coat of gloss on it, just to make sure it's nice and protected and shiny. And then I put a little signature right there. But yeah, it turned out pretty good for my first time hand painting my own board. So, yeah. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?